Alright, this is my house door lock, and I gotta do a little fix on it. I hope everybody's doing alright. It's been a while since I've been on a video. An old school hand tools, right? So the deal is there's a seal on the outside. I'll put these down. And I have played with this lock before, so it's come loose a little bit. Hopefully I'm getting in frame. That's a little better on that seal. And it's one other thing I want to do while I'm fixing this. Take this off my shirt here. Try to keep everything in line. Sorry for the wiggle on this. Not something I can do at a desk. So in here, it gets loose every now and then. Gotta tighten it up a little bit. I suppose they're not made to use as often. Okay, I'm gonna check that again. Yeah, that's better. It was really looping out. So this is gonna go on the deadbolt part of the lock. If I can get it, there it goes. And we'll put the screws back in. Oops. There we go. Hopefully this video is somewhat in frame. It's hard to see, and I'm trying to hold the camera down. Little secret, it's in my shirt. Well, it's on the belt clip that's on my shirt. A little bit of a RV maintenance slash lock work. take the whole thing apart, but they make these locks with like a key fob for your car, so you can just bleep it open. That's a little too fancy for what I want. That's better. Much better. Much better. Well, that's the excitement of the day, I suppose.